eastern Mchenry County in northeastern Illinois until 9:30 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., the thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Powers Lake to near Richmond to Wonder Lake to near Woodstock, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Man, it's windy.
70 miles per hour with gusts. Radar indicated impact, explosive tree. Damage is
cutting out.
Mobile homes.
Alright, this thing is not waterproof at all, so.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Crystal Lake, Mchenry, Woodstock, Antioch, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Lake Mirror, Long Lake, Pistakee Highlands, and all around 840. Round Lake Beach, Grays Lake, Round Lake, Wakonda, Island Lake, Lindenhurst, Round Lake Park, Venetian Village, and Third Lake around 8:50 p.m. Gurnee, Mundelein, Libertyville, Cary, Gages Lake,
Okay, come on, just hurry up the game.
Greenwood Park, Lake Barrington, Wadsworth, and Oakwood Hills around 8:55 p.m. Waukegan, North Chicago, Vernon Hills, Zion, Lake Zurich, Beach Park, Long Grove, Park City, Green Oaks, and Top Lakes around 9 p.m.
It's a big wind gust.
Lake Forest,
That was a big wind gust.
Gilmere and Forest Lake around 9:05 p.m. Buffalo Grove, Highland Park, Lincolnshire, Highwood, Riverwoods, and Bannockburn around 9:10 p.m. Wheeling, Northbrook,
Okay, just finish up the dang
around
running already,
9:15 p.m. Glencoe around 9:20 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 26.
Oh, Chicago
Interstate
1 is like 9, dude.
294 between mile markers 1 and 26. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Yeah.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
It's getting windy out.
Number 446 remains in effect until 10 p.m., which includes the following counties.
I kept looking for rotations where they were showing on velocity, but
I gotta come.
Remember,
Fine,
a tornado watch means the conditions
Fuel.
are favorable.
Oh wait, I'm still